People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. The Patreon squad said do it like a YouTuber, so I do it. I dropped the screenshot on Patreon and I said, I don't want a video upon this. I'm drop a video about this and him said do it. See it here. Not me! Champagnie says, no to representing Barbara Gale's murder suspect. I'm telling you, sir, unicorn meet the presumption of innocence. That's just something defense lawyers tell themselves so they can sleep better at night when time them help Lego sci-fi. When JJ Nakis just done kill 40 people and them help him bust the case about kill 140 more, or them lie down in them king-sized bed and snore and yawn and stretch and roll over comfortable by telling themselves, well, you know, the presumption of innocence. Because even though everybody in the community and the whole world know about JJ Nakis, right, and how much people see him kill people in a broad daylight, and then when the witness go court, the witness dead, even though all these things happen, he wasn't found guilty. So let me just go cash the check with him give me and move on with my life. So can mama. That's what they tell themselves to see better at night. Champagnie, it has to be studied. You know how long may I wait for 1 hour to drop this? Thank you, Mr. Champagnie. Not to be confused with the PIA lawyer Peter Bagjuice, who is the budget version of Peter Champagnie. Big article in a big paper say, prominent defense attorney Peter Champagnie has ruled himself out of that. Not even one gonna further. When I rule himself out about? Here Champagnie say, right name after you know Champagnie, bust Champagne after him help sci-fi go back a road. Him say cause him know what looking at, you know? And this is a direct quote. It is my duty as an attorney to uphold the rule of law. Which is something enough for a friend them not do. Right? Some of the wickedest, most vicious and evil and lion, thief and cutthroat people mean a lawyer, but that's work with what Champagnie say. Right? As an attorney, it's in duty to uphold the rule of law and all accused persons are entitled to representation. He's saying the right thing. He sounds like a lawyer here. I was thinking, what do I talk about? See, Champagnie say the right thing. But then it goes on to state, however, and when you hear however, you know what come next. I must empathize that I would not and could not and will never represent anyone accused in this matter due to my close association with Miss Gale. She was a dear friend and someone I held in the highest regard. End quote. Barbara Gale, rest in peace. This has nothing to do with you. Nothing to do with you. Nobody should be cut down like that. Them deal with woman like some kind of animal. Them deal with woman like some kind of like one dog. It's either cruel if them do that to dog. Much less. Right. A woman who could be their mother, their grandmother. 77 years old. The Irish Saxon who did this. When you look at Jamaica on the when you look at people like me now and saying the justice system because jailhouse are heaven for some of them, man. If you do this to people and go see them in a jailhouse. But it's not about Barbara Gale, it's about Peter Champagnie. Peter Moet. Peter Ace of Spade. Champagnie guy, what you talk about? You could not represent the person who is accused of killing this Gale. You talk about the two sides of your mouth now. Remember, it is your duty as an attorney. Remember, everybody is entitled to representation. And if you can afford their services, Peter Champagnie, all of the gunmen them where you represent over the years, the people them with them kill also had close friends. People who them love as much as you loved Barbara Gale. Because in a business about them people, you take the case, right? And you tell yourself, say, it's because of presumption of innocence, right? Yes, a man innocent till proven guilty, right? By that very legal logic, the man when them say kill Barbara Gale is also innocent. because him not get proven guilty in a court. So go represent him. Treat Barbara Gale suspects the same way you treat Miss Johnson, and treat Fata, and treat Roned, and treat Willie, and all the people them where your many gunmen clients butchered over the years. Give them the same treatment, Mr. Champagnie. Say, I could not and I would not represent anybody who could have ever run up in a people's house and go so rrrr. How come all of a sudden morals are kicking? I don't say it work, guy. The law don't work off morals, the law don't work off belief. The law don't work off a hearsay. The law don't work off how a YouTuber say. That them say. Remember? Even though Serpy say he's a gunman, the court found him not guilty, so left it alone. The person who killed Barbara Gale has not been found guilty in any court. At the moment, it's all speculation and hearsay. Just like when I would drop certain videos, boy, your client them on this are speculation and hearsay. Even though you see video this and that, but you never did it when him kill nobody. Like them say, you never did it when time him kill the man. Well, you never did it when time him kill Barbara Gale. You see him kill Barbara Gale with the old 2 eye? Peter Champagnie, did you see anybody kill Barbara Gale with their own 2 eyes? Yeah, did it? So how guilt is established. It doesn't matter how close you were to her. As an attorney, presumption of innocence still stands. The defense lawyer guy isn't defense lawyering when a smarty close to home. Remember when Shirley Playfair wasn't playing so fair and man rally back and kill her? Lawyers said they're not take the case. So you must ask the question, how are these lawyers so happy to defend the most notorious of gunmen who wipe out the whole of March Spent top banks? Them butcher everything on Lariston, them butcher everything on Salt Spring, Pitney, Uman, everything. Them say, hey, guy, presumption of innocence, that's my client, you never did it. The courts didn't say this, the courts didn't say that. The courts didn't say nothing, did they, Champagnie? It don't even reach court. Take on that case, guy. Where am I to get morals? Champagnie, how you do it, guy? These lawyers has to be studied. And I surely play for a case, man say them don't want the money. Them have too much morals to take that the money there. But they're innocent, remember? Until proven guilty. Or not to speculate on guilt. Champagnie, you can't speculate on the guilt. Remember, justice comes first. Even if it look like a such man, it could be other man. So in the effort of getting justice, not just with Barbara, but for also the suspect who could turn out to be not the person who do it. Remember, justice comes first. So you should have tried to get 2 justice. Peter Moet and Shandon. Peter Crystal. Yeah, and your friend them on the stomach make out of vibranium, on the stomach strong. Because this Barbara Gale, you know the difference? Why him not take the case? Or because him knows that him help man boss case. Peter Champagnie and Bert Samuels and them people they know that them help actual killers bust case. And him now help this youth bust this case. Because him want quote unquote justice in this instance. In other instances, your auntie and granny where Richie Blacks kill can go suck for them woman. Only now get no justice. Because him don't know your auntie or your granny. And in the business about your auntie or your granny, in the business about your pitney, but in business about him friend. So I mean, help Tuku bust the case, the triple murder case, and go back on the road, but he not help that boy ya. Cause that boy ya have to go down. But why am I for go down? The courts not stand guilty, Champagnie? Councilman, what are you doing? Are you presuming guilt? For all you know, are some innocent youth just caught in the mix. You don't want to get justice for him too? Maybe it's a case of wrong place, wrong time, and get caught on the camera just walking through the... Who say that for the clients them all the time? Why don't apply in this instance? When it's their friends and associates, these same lawyers who love to talk about leniency and don't speculate become monstrous. Just like when Miss then brutally lose fair life, nobody can go where you feel like you want to come kill one of my lawyer friend them. Right now, a draconian laws the one. And the smart drive by there the front of one car and kill one lawyer, ban passenger out of car too, because lawyer lives matter. And the friends of lawyers lives matter. But the rest of you know have matter on the eye. Champagne boss, you've already presumed the youth to be guilty. And you don't want him, and you don't want to help him bust the case. Like you've helped many a gunman bust case. People who have committed multiple murders. You help them bust case, but you don't want to be a part of, an operation that's going to get somebody as vile as the person who would kill Barbara Gale to go back on the streets, do you? But you're happy for make Richie Blackstein go back on a Laristan and go butcher more people. You're happy for make bigger crime go back on Mobile or chop off more head. You're happy for make Tuku go back on Maxfield, go back on Waltham. You're happy for make Ringo go back to Bull Bay and turn up the place while you drive around comfortably in the AC in your car smiling, right? Saying, the law is the law. Well, the law is the law, Champagnie, and the law says that man is not guilty yet. So represent him. Jungle is massive, represent. Jungle is massive, represent him. Go on, Champagnie. Live by your word. Presumption of innocence. Could be an innocent youth that gets set up. Maybe it's a case of wrong place, wrong time. You never did it. You never see him, because if you see him, there could be a witness. You can't be surely not falling guilty to speculation and hearsay. You're above that, right? Top lawyer guy. That's for something reserved for lowly peasants like myself, who speculate and, just throw vile rumors to get views. You're above that, man. I want to hear Champagnie. You're above that, surely. Just like when your lawyer friend him said, nah, represent the people may kill Shirley Playfair. They were above that, right? Presumption of innocence. But T may still Champagnie. We know so that I just something to tell some little fool people, right? We know so there's no such thing. May know say, right? Ajis killed the man in Spanish Town. And you know so the reason why Ajis was found not guilty because then killed the witness. Right? You know that. You know that, right? You know that. Yeah, your friend them know that. Birch Samuels know that. Townsend know that. But when the stomach strong, like a bag make out a crocodile clitoris. It's strong. But it's not strong enough to deal with people when your friend them and your family them. Because only phone friend and phone family matter. Sometimes you say, yo, such man the killer, be a people over there say, and bust the case by technicality. When you say, hey, well, the law says so. And if let's work with the law. With the law say him innocent, the law say it wasn't him. But up until this point, the law and I say nothing. So you killed Barbara Gale yet. You see me I say Champagnie? Come on, bro. Do the right thing. Represent him. Help him bust the case. Help him get to it. Like only help enough for the man get to it. Help him go back a road go kill more people. Like only help enough man go back a road go kill more people. Surely, morals and them thinking enough to do this at work. It's just work, right? Defense lawyer, he'll support anybody. One thing can pay you. So, make him friend him, get out the money for pay you and take the money and go do the work. See me I say Champagnie? Alright, big up yourself. And just in case you're wondering, yes. I'm a long time I tell him the lawyers they're on the list of bad mind because I try, become a big liar but couldn't read and write so well, so I run away. I mean, think about it. Some of the people in Jamaica who see a past the bar. Clearly this is the upper echelon of all intelligence, so people like me couldn't and get this up. So, a bad mind, I cause it. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.